Greetings students, this is Anjana Puri again. Now we are going to start average or mean part 3. In this video, we will learn how to find the average when observation is repeated. When one of the observation is repeated in both the times. Now as you know, the formula for average is sum of observations divided by number of observations. Although we will not use this, but this concept must be clear in your mind. Now let us come to our first question. The mean of 11 numbers is 35. Okay, there are total 11 numbers. Average of whose is 35. Now breakup is given. If the mean of the first 6 number is 32 and that of the last 6 observation is 37. Now you can see that there are total 11 numbers only, but here 6 observations first and then 6 observations last are given, means they add up to 12 observation. It means that middlemost observation is repeated. It is being counted 2 times, right? So today we will learn about this, how to find the 6th observation. Now they are asking find the 6th observation, means the observation which is being repeated, right? So the conventional method to solve this question is like this. What we do, average of 11 numbers as given is 35. So first of all we find the sum of 11 numbers by 11 into 35, which comes to 385. Now average of first 6 number is also given. So we will write down average of first 6 number as 32. Then sum of the first 6, how it will come? By multiplying by 6 numbers, 192. Then average of last 6 number is 37 given. So sum of the last 6 number will be 37 multiplied by 6, 222. And as the number 6 is repeated, how will we find out? Because here also number 6 is there and here also number 6 is there. So we will add up these two equations 2 and 3, and out of this we will subtract all the 11 observation. So we will be left out with the repeated observation, that is the 6th one, like this. So we will arrive at the answer 29. So students, here I know the method very well. I am good in calculations also, but still it will take minimum 2 to 3 minutes to do this sum. And in competitive exams, we cannot afford to spend so much time on one single question. So here is the method which we will follow now onwards. Just look what we will do. We will concentrate only on 3 numbers. Average of all the numbers, 35 is given. Then average of first 6 and average of last 6, right? Now what we will do? We will find the deviation. Deviation means difference of both these numbers from the average of all the numbers. So all the number is 35 and average of first is 32. So what we will do? 32 minus 35. So what is the deviation or difference? 32 minus 35 comes to minus 3. Then we will find the deviation of again this last 6 number and average of all the numbers, that is 35. So how it will be? 37 minus 35. What we did? From both the averages, first 6 number and last 6 number, we subtracted the average of all the numbers, right? So this is the difference we've got. Now from this what we will get? Minus 3 plus 2 will be minus 1, and we will multiply by 6. Why? Because here there are 6 observation, first 6 and last 6. So we will multiply by 6, that is minus 6. Now we will write the whole average, whatever is there, that is 35 minus 6, it will be 29. So we are getting the same answer as we have got with traditional method. This time I have got to explain you people, but otherwise when you will understand it, it will just take fraction of seconds to get the answer. Let me tell you how. Once again, 35 total numbers. So deviation from here, 32 minus 35 is minus 3, and from here 37 minus 35 is 2. So minus 3 and plus 2 comes to minus 1, as there are 6 numbers. So minus 6 minus 1 into 6 will be minus 6, and we will add minus 6 to this 35. So 35 minus 6 will become 29. Easy. Now second question. The average of 15 numbers, here total number are 15, is 7. If the average of first 8 number is 6.5 and the average of last 8 numbers is 9.5, then the middle means which number? Of course 8th. Yes, because we have divided 8, first 8 and last 8. Although total observations are only 15, but 8 plus 8 comes to 16. It means that one observation is repeated. So what we will do? Yes, very good. 6.5 minus 7. It will come to minus 0.5. Like this. Then 9.5 minus 7, which will come to 2.5. So 2.5 minus 0.5 will be 2. And how many observations are there? First 8 and last 8. So we will multiply by 8, which will become 16. Now what is our observation? 15 observations. Average is 7. So we will add this 16 to 7. And my answer is 23. Few more examples we will have. Like the average of 11 result is 50, right? If the average of first 6 result is 49 and that of the last 6 is 52, then the sixth number is, so again here 6 plus 6 is 12 and here total results are only 11, means 1 is repeated. What we will do? 49 minus 50, that will be minus 1. Then 52 minus 50, that will be 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. And how many results are there? First 6 and last 6. So we will multiply by 6. That is 6 only. Now 11 observations, average is 50. So we will add this 6 to 50. So what is my answer? 56. Easy. One more question. The mean temperature of the first 4 days of the week is 25 degrees Celsius, whereas the mean of the last 4 days is 25.5 degrees Celsius. If the mean temperature of the whole week is 25.2 degrees Celsius, then the temperature on the 4th day is. So here we are concerned with only 3 figures. Temperature, mean temperature of whole week, then first 4 days and last 4. Because in a week there are 7 days, but 4 plus 4 becomes 8. Again there is a repetition of 1 day. That is the 4th day only. And we need to find the temperature of the repeated day only. So what we will do? Let us try it verbally. 25.2 is the average of the whole week. So first 4 is this. 25 minus 25.2 will become minus 0.2. Then 25.5 is the last 4 days. So what we will do, 25.5 minus for the whole week, that is 25.2. So it will become 0.3. When we will add it, it will be 0.1 and multiply by 4. Why? Because there are first 4 days and last 4 days. So 4.4. This will be added to the whole week's average, that is 25.2. So we will get 25.6 as our answer. Let us have the next question. The average of 13 observation is 70. The average of the first 7 is 65 and that of last 7 is 75. The 7th observation is dash. Here again we can see that repetition is there. How? Total observation are 13, but here first 7 and then they have taken last 7. So 7 plus 7, 14, but here there are only 13 observation. It means 7th observation is repeated, right? While calculating the upper also it is taken into account and while taking the last one also. So how to find? What we will do? First 7 minus the total observations average, that is 65 minus 70. It will be minus 5. Then last 7 minus again total observations average. So 75 minus 70 plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. 0 means no change in the average. Whatever average is there, yes, 70, that will be my number 7th observation. So my answer is 70 only. So I hope you have got this, understood it well. Main thing is, again I am repeating, we have to concentrate only on 3 observations, total observation, first 7, 4, whatever is given, and last. And first thing is, find the difference with always total number of observation, like 65 minus 70, 75 minus 70, both the time total is subtracted, and whatever deviation we are getting or the difference we are getting, that is multiplied with the number of observations which are taken into account. Like here 7, so 0 into 7 will be 0 only, so no change, that's why it will become 70 only. Thank you and have a nice day.